Good day all TBCians and those who still need to become a TBCian. I'm Shirley Heder from South Africa and I have gratitude for TBC and thankful for all those who have joined TBC contributing to the growth of the community. I want to share a scenario that gave me another TBC satisfaction moment. Someone could help herself financially because she had referred people who put their $100 into their wallets through a trusted seller and shared in the December-January cookies reward redemption. And when in a tight spot, she had earned commission and it came in handy to save the day. This is a real way to help each other. TBC is an opportunity for all to earn cash while sharing in the Kringle Coin gift. The abundance is for all. My experience since I've joined in January 2017, through the good times and the off times when the wallets were turned off, we kept promoting TBC and sharing the gifts. TBC kept to what was planned and what was said in the blogs. This is truly where all the answers are to all the questions. I would encourage the TBC Kringle Coin members to keep watching the blog, share the Kringle Coin gift, build a TBC community and share in the abundance of TBC with the peer-to-peer purchases of goods and services. TBC is a great opportunity to change the lives of those feeling insecure about the future. Finances always tight. Do TBC to become financially free. Be in control of your finances and not your finances control you. Join my channel, share my link and send me an email to get your free Kringles.